So today we're going to be taking the head off so I can take it home and put in these new springs, retainers, and seats. And I got the valve locks, they're chromoly. The retainers are titanium. Seats are just double spring ones from BC. This is all BC Racing, or yeah, BC. And then I got the seals to put on there. So right now, taking the exhaust manifold off, which takes forever because you have to just use a wrench. But I will let you guys know when I finish that and I get the valve cover off. So I'll see you then. Alright, got the valve off, got the exhaust manifold off. So now we got to take out the ARP nuts, and then I can take the head off after I take that belt off. And then we are done outside for today. Alright, got the belt off, got the ARP nuts off. So now I just gotta pull this off. Probably gonna look at the pistons, see how they're looking. Hopefully they're alright. So I'll see you in a minute. Alright, there it is. They look pretty alright. Nothing too catastrophic happened, it looks like. Walls look good. So that's good. So I'll probably go look at the bottom of the head and the head gasket, make sure that's all okay. And then get the heck out of here, go to my house, and have a blast changing out all the springs. So let's do that. Alright, I haven't taken the head gasket off of the head yet, but nothing crazy that I see. So that's good. Looks like that was running a little lean, but I don't know. That could just be how those ones are. If you know, let me know. Because I don't have a clue how to read valves and all that. So I could use a learning. So now I'm going to head to my house. Alright, so made it home. Gonna get the cams out. And then I will put on the tool. And I'll show you once. Because doing it 16 times is going to be a thrill a minute for me. So I can't imagine just watching it. So I'll show you when I get the cams out. I'm going to tell you a little secret. This sucks. That took me like literally 10 minutes to get those little guys in there. Okay. So I have 15 more. So I think this is where I'm going to end it for today. So, like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Alright, I lied. I'm back. Just finished putting all of them in. It only took 3 hours. 3.5 hours. Which I'm not sure, but could be a record. So, I got that for me. So, now you can like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.